Hi, my name's Jack from Lumar Tech Support, and today I'm going to go through the seals change on a Lumar TPX. Firstly, you need to remove the canvas. Make sure you count how many times it unrolls, as you'll need to do this at the end to retension. We're now going to remove these two crossbars. We do this by removing the two bolts here and here on both sides. The middle crossbar held in the first seal housing can now be removed. Second seal housing is held in place with a bolt like this one, either located on the top or the bottom. This will need to be removed. Now the bolt is removed, this seal housing will come out as well. This needs to be done on both sides. We can now remove the old seals out of the seal housings. Same on the bigger one as well. We can now clean these up, ready for the new seals. The new seals will just simply pop in. You need to make sure that the lip is pointing outwards. And again on the smaller one, the lip is pointing outwards. Before you put the seal and housings back in, you want to line the seals with some multi-purpose synthetic grease to protect the seals. A small blob around the inside. Now these are ready to be put back in. You can now put the seals and housing back on, replacing the bigger one first. You will need to use a pick to help guide the seal over the lip of the tube. Now back on, we can twist the housing in order to realign the bolt hole and the hole in the tube. Once in line, you can screw the bolt back in. We can now put in the smaller housing, bearing in mind this cutout needs to be on top in line with this section of the tube. Again, using my pick. And then push this in place. Repeat the process on both sides. We can now put the middle crossbar back in place, making sure the middle tube's leading edge slots into this gap here. We can now put the bolt in. You might need to supply some pressure to push this into place correctly. We can now put the last crossbar back in place. You can now put the canvas back on, retensioning any rolls that were undone at the beginning.